Hey guys, what is up? Quick tutorial. I'm releasing a new version of Syncronizer plugin, Syncronizer V3, and the only difference is it's gonna have automatic scale and stuff linked up, so you don't have to type any of your own expressions or do any super fancy pick whipping or anything like that. So I kind of made this little graphic demonstration thing to kind of explain, to help you guys understand it a little bit. So basically, like, it makes a sine wave, an output value, and what happens is you get to decide where the starting value is, which is at 0 right here, and the amplitude is how high your output will end up being, and you can change that, and then so it's kind of like that. So like it's just stronger or whatever. I don't even know. But like before when I was saying how to make it sharper, basically what happens is the area from here to here where it's above 0 is where it affects like whatever you're doing, like opacity or something, or scale. And then so this time is when it's being affected. So to decrease the time but keep the same value, you increase the scale or the amplitude, and then you decrease the starting value. So we get the same height, but the time in between is a lot smaller now. So I just want to kind of show you that, and like what the if statement is, or what it does, is instead of going positive value and then negative, it just goes positive and then goes across 0, stays at 0, and then, or it stays at 100, or whatever you want. That's just what an if statement does. But basically, let me just quickly go over what's going on. So now, instead of a null object, we can just use an adjustment layer. Syncronizer V3, drag that on, or onto your clip actually, that still works. And same exact stuff, but I have a transform already set up, and you can just turn that on, and nothing happens. By the way, this is a clip by DF Switch, playing some hardcore headquarters. It's a nice little feed. And then he misses, pulls out his pistol, and gets, I don't know if you can see it, but he gets a 6-in-1 spray on a 6-man team. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, transform. So we're going to set this up so that, let me expand this. So the starting value is going to be at, where is it, 0, but the amplitude is going to be 110. So it'll just, you can kind of see it. Pretty blurry just because I'm on quarter res right now, but it'll pulse to the beat. And like I did before, you're going to want to play with the beats per minute and the time offset first. So yeah, we got that thumping going on, if there was music, but I'm not putting music on. And then I also got Bulge, which is kind of the same thing, a little bit different effect. It's kind of crazy because we're going all the way up to 110, so set this down to like 0.2, 0.3. And kind of same thing, but it's a little bit less uniform. It's more like an actual bulge from the center. A little different, but just want to set that up for you guys. And then I also have brightness and contrast set up. So this needs to go up to like 75, and then it's just flashing. So again, all that's different is I already set this up for you guys. So just to kind of look what I did. In this transform, I have all these expressions and stuff set up for you guys. See, there you go, if statements and whatnot. Yeah, pretty cool. Go ahead and download this if you're going to use it. People want me to, you know, sell this because a lot of good editors use syncing and stuff like this. And there's no way I'm going to charge people for this, but if you'd like to make a donation, that'd be pretty cool, because this is a pretty useful plugin. You can still link anything else you want, so like, let me show an example of that real quick. Let's say we have a different adjustment layer, and what kind of effect should we do, like some kind of distort or something? I don't know. I should have done this before, but let's just see. I want to mess around here. So this is our control layer, right? And this is our distort layer. Okay, so the distort, we're going to link the value. So control, push E, and then bring out the output. And distort, we're going to push E and bring out the turbulent displace amount right here. And Alt, click on the stopwatch and pick whip to the output slider. So now every time, well, it looks pretty crazy. Kind of weird, but whatever. It still works the same. If you want to look at the other tutorial and learn about it, there you go. I'm just releasing this Syncronizer V3 for you guys, and make sure to like the video. Thank you guys.